Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TECLAST T50 Pro, and let me share with you how to add the photo to a contact in this device. So let's begin with opening the dialer or your contact list directly. It doesn't matter, just enter your contact list and find the contact which you'd like to edit and then tap on it. I'll pick this one. Then let's tap on this edit icon, so pencil icon, and tap on add picture. So here we've got different sections from which we can choose the photo from. Here we've got the device photos. We can choose something from our own gallery or open the camera app and take a photo of someone who's right in front of us. In Google Photos, we've got our backdrop photos, so let me omit that. Here Monogram, so we can use 1 or 2 letters. It's up to you. You can customize them. Here we've got we can change the background color and the font. Moreover, we can use emoji. Just tap on this option. Again, we can change the background color. Let's tap inside tap on the emoji. And here we've got the full list of available ones. So you can choose, for example, this one. And you can display it just like the emoji, or you can display it more like icon, just by using this monochrome option. It should appear as more icon-like. Be aware, because it will not work in all of the emojis, because some are not, I would say, not convertible. Let's try to change it to maybe the cat. Is cat monochromatic? Not really. As you can see, probably it just doesn't work in this device, or just in mine. I don't know, but usually this monochrome option should work and display the emoji as an icon. And here we've got also illustrations, which are free of charge, and they are available online, so I highly recommend to check them, especially in situation that you do not have the photo of the person whose contact you'd like to customize. So here we've got also the presets. You can choose the different colors, for example, like that. And here you can crop the picture, so you can zoom it in or out, and thanks to it you can decide what you will see after saving the whole contact, because this highlighted circle is responsible for it. So position it just like you want to, and then tap on choose and tap on save in the right upper corner. And this is how our contact will look like. Of course, you will be able to see this photo on the contact list, and for example during all incoming calls from that specific number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.